Best 5G smartphones under 20,000 in India. As now the 5G rollout in India has begun, we know that many of you will be in search of the best 5G smartphones. There are quite a bunch of options available now as the company started to launch the 5G smartphone ahead of the 5G auction. Yet not all 5G smartphones are worth purchasing, as some only carries 2 to 4 bands and call it a 5G smartphones. Moto G82 5G. The Moto G82 ensures smooth operations all day long with its Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, 6GB RAM, and a well-planned battery configuration. Moto G82 5G specifications. Display 6.60-inch 1080x2400 POLT display. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 695. Camera rear 50 megapixels plus 8 MP plus 2 megapixels. Front 16 megapixels. Battery 5000 mAh. OS Android 12. Realme 9 5G SE. The elegant Realme 9 5G SE combines a star-like textured appearance with nano-coating technology. The company has included a high-quality specifications sheet on the inside to assist customers with their daily activities. Display 6.60-inch 1080x2412 pixels. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G. Camera rear 48 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus 2 megapixels. Front 16 megapixels. Battery 5000 mAh. OS Realme UI Android 12. Poco M4 5G. For your daily operations, the Poco M4 Pro 5G is the best option, guaranteeing reliable performance. It's a great tool for photographers who enjoy taking stunning vistas and portraits when they're out and about. Additionally, a fast-charging compatible powerhouse built inside ensures a more complete operational experience. Display 6.58 inches, 1080 by 2400 pixels. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G. Camera rear 48 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus 2 megapixels. Front 16 megapixels. Battery 5000 mAh. OS MIUI 13, Android 12. Realme 9i 5G. The Realme 9i 5G successfully checks off every box, indicating that it is a smartphone with the best features. Long-lasting battery life, a responsive processor, and a stunning display all contribute to the device's great performance for consumers. Display 6.6 inches, 1080 by 2408 pixels. Processor MediaTek Dimensity 810. Camera rear 50 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus unknown MP. Front 16 megapixels. Battery 5000 mAh. OS Realme UI Android 12.